Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the camera application lagging or crashing in your OPPO Reno 15. The first thing that you have to do is to open here the settings. Now, wait a moment, I need to reset my settings. Go here to the apps, app management, and here type camera. And now here, as I can see, we have notifications, permissions, data usage, storage usage, etc. The thing you have to do is to tap storage usage, clear data, delete. Now if we go here to the camera application, everything should be nice, and you just need to rearrange your settings back again and give the permissions back again to your camera. Now everything should be working fine. If it still isn't working fine, what you have to do is to go straight to the settings back again, to your camera back again, and now here force stop. And now once your application is stopped, open your camera application back again. If it still doesn't work for you, you need to hold the power and volume up, restart your device over here. This should be working for you. If it still isn't, you need to do a factory reset, and as a last resort, contact device support and tell them that your camera is broken. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.